Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks. We're back in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with our good friend Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Also have a very special guest. This is Julie Bisbee. You are with TSET, and TSET is all about eating healthy.
That's right. One of our main programs is Shape Your Future OK, and the goal of that is to give families, children, opportunities for more healthy eating, substituting high-fat things with low-fat or fresh fruits and vegetables. And your viewers can find recipes on shapeyourfutureok.com.
Love it. That's what we're doing today because we have cantaloupe in front of us.
That's right.
And we're making ices?
We are. So my kids always beg me to go to the snow cone stand, and I'm like, oh, let's just fill up a styrofoam cup with some sugar and eat that. So instead, we're going to use some fresh cantaloupe. It's really plentiful right now. It's going to go right into a blender. So this is one of the few recipes that does require a little bit of special equipment. We're going to use a little bit of mint. You do not have to use mint. You could use lemon or lime. The one I used for our test was actually lime, and it was delicious. So you can put the zest in there, and that's going to give it a really nice flavor because that's where the oils are. So a little bit of zest. You can put a little bit of the juice in there.
That's what I like about her recipes. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with this, and it's all healthy.
That's right. Okay, so that's going right in, and some sugar. And I'm going to use even less than what's in here. Okay, and so the lid is going to go right on, and we're going to blend this until it's a nice puree. It's going to get poured into this bowl. So we're going to make a little noise. Okay. Very nice.
Oh, that looks good.
It does look good.
I mean,
That's
it'll be
fast.
just like this for a smoothie, right? Okay, so maybe if we had a bit more time, we would blend it a little bit more. Whoops,
Okay.
hello. And this is gonna go right into a flat bottom dish. It goes into the freezer, and you're gonna scrape it with a fork. Okay, and when you're finished, you have this really nice, icy, you know, maybe kind of like a sorbet.
Oh, that's nice.
And
So
we're gonna.
you could have this in your freezer and say, okay, just go get a cup of that or
That's
whatever.
right.
Yeah,
That's right. Very
think
low
ahead.
in sugar, and obviously it's a fruit, so it's got some fiber in there. Okay.
How easy is this?
And beautiful color. And then, just maybe your kids don't care about the little garnish, but I do.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll put them right here. We'll show everybody on television just what they look like, just how gorgeous that is right there. That's terrific.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. All right, guys, thank you very much. If you want this recipe or any of our other recipes, go to kgrh.com. Julie, Chef, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.